Okay, very good. Hey, how you doing, Ashley? I'd like to ask you a couple questions about your experience with Chiro-Med.
Okay.
What symptoms initially brought you into Chiro-Med?
I first started coming to Chiro-Med when I was about 9 or 10 years old. And at the time I was involved in cheerleading and gymnastics. So I was experiencing some lower back pain as a kid. I started coming in for treatment, and throughout the years, I've also seen Dr. Miller for neck pain or sinus issue and headaches.
Awesome. What was your initial impression of the facility?
As soon as you walk into Chiro-Med, you're greeted a warm welcome by the workers here at the front desk. And of course, they get you treated right away. And Dr. Miller is, very thorough in his examinations and letting you know about your treatment and, how your symptoms are coming along. And the facility itself, too, is, well kept, clean. There's a lot of information available and ready to go for you, again, to let you know about your symptoms and your wellness plan.
Very good. Did the doctor's diagnosis of your problems seem thorough and make sense to you?
Absolutely. What I loved about Dr. Miller's examination is that he put it in words that I could understand, someone who is not a doctor or has that kind of a background. It was easy for me to know exactly what he was doing, my problem areas, and what I can be doing at home to continue my treatment plan and make it successful.
Very good. Would you consider your treatment successful?
Absolutely. And what I like about the treatment here with Dr. Miller is that he really lays it out for me so that I can, get better sooner and know exactly what I need to do to, again, get better and so those symptoms go away.
Very good. How would you describe the staff at Chiro-Med?
The staff is not only very friendly and, again, welcoming, but very knowledgeable. And not only does Dr. Miller explain everything that, he's treating you for, or, offer information on your treatment plan, but his workers as well know, what their purpose and their goals are for treating patients here at Chiro-Med.
Fantastic. Would you recommend Chiro-Med to a friend or family member?
Absolutely. And I always do. As a matter of fact, now I currently live in Chicago, but I make the trip. It's well worth it out here to Orland Park just to see Dr. Miller. And I highly recommend him to all my friends and family.
That's great. Is there anything you'd like to add?
I would just like to add that I think maybe people don't always know all the symptoms that Dr. Miller can treat you for. And as a matter of fact, I was even surprised when I was having even pain in my jaw or headaches that other contributing factors were leading to those, those pains or those symptoms that I was feeling. So it was great even to come to Dr. Miller and explain what my issues were. And again, he treated me for things I never even knew were possible for a chiropractor to take care of.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take care.